Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Dodge prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear air conditioning, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.